Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started. Hi, are you new here? I don't think I've seen you at this gym before.
Hi. Yes, I just joined last week. I'm Jake, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Jake. I'm Lisa. How are you finding the gym so far?
It's great. The equipment is modern, and the staff are really helpful. Do you come here often?
Yes, I come about 3 times a week. I usually work out in the evenings after work.
That's cool. I'm still trying to figure out my schedule. What do you usually do here?
I focus on cardio and light weights. I like using the treadmill and the rowing machine. How about you?
I enjoy lifting weights, but I'm also trying to add more cardio to my routine. It's tough, though.
I know what you mean. Running on the treadmill can feel like forever, but it's worth it.
Do you follow a specific workout plan?
Not really. I just try to balance my exercises. Sometimes I join the yoga class here. Have you tried any of the classes?
Not yet, but I heard the yoga class is really good. Is it hard?
It's not too hard, but it's a great way to stretch and relax after a workout. You should try it sometime.
I will. So, how long have you been coming to this gym?
About a year now. I joined because I wanted to be more active. What about you? What made you join?
Well, I sit at a desk all day for work, and I realized I need to move more. Staying healthy is important.
Absolutely. Sitting all day can be tough on your body. What do you do for work?
I'm a graphic designer. I design websites and logos. How about you?
I'm a teacher. I teach math to high school students.
That's awesome. Teaching must be a rewarding job.
It is, but it can be stressful sometimes. That's why I enjoy working out. It helps me clear my mind.
I totally get that. Exercise really helps me de-stress too.
That's great. So, do you live nearby?
Yes, just a 10-minute walk from here. What about you?
Same. It's so convenient, isn't it?
Definitely. Maybe we'll bump into each other more often.
For sure.
So, Lisa, do you have any hobbies outside of the gym?
Yes, I love painting. It's something I've enjoyed since I was a kid. What about you?
That's cool. I like hiking. Being in nature helps me relax.
Hiking sounds amazing. Do you go often?
I try to go at least once a month. Last weekend, I hiked up a small mountain near here. The view was incredible.
That must have been so beautiful. Did you take any pictures?
Yes, I did. I usually bring my camera on hikes. I love capturing the scenery.
That's such a great idea. Do you post your pictures online?
Sometimes. My friends always tell me to post more, but I just do it for fun. What about your painting? Do you share your work?
Not really. I mostly paint for myself, but I've given a few of my paintings to friends as gifts.
That's so thoughtful. What do you like to paint?
I enjoy painting landscapes and flowers. It's very relaxing. Have you ever tried painting?
Not since I was a kid. I think I'm better at drawing stick figures than real art.
Everyone starts somewhere. You should try it again. It's really calming.
Maybe I will. So, have you ever had any funny moments while painting?
Oh, plenty. One time, I accidentally spilled an entire jar of paint on my carpet. It took hours to clean, and there's still a stain.
That sounds like a mess. At least, it's a memory to laugh about now.
Exactly. What about you? Do you have any funny hiking stories?
Yes, once I got lost on a trail. I followed the wrong path and ended up in someone's backyard.
Oh no! What did you do?
I apologized, and luckily, they were very kind. They even gave me directions to get back to the main trail.
That's a great story. At least you got back safely?
Yes, and now I always check the trail map before starting a hike.
That's smart. So, are there any hobbies you'd like to try in the future?
I've always wanted to learn how to play the guitar. Music is so inspiring.
That's a great idea. Music can be so relaxing and fun.
How about you? Any new hobbies on your list?
I'd love to try photography. Your hiking stories and pictures make me want to give it a shot.
You should. It's easy to start, and it helps you see the world in a new way.
That's true. Maybe I'll join a beginner's class.
That's a great idea. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll hike together, and you can practice taking photos.
That sounds like a lot of fun. So, Jake, you mentioned earlier that you're a graphic designer. How did you get into that field?
I've always enjoyed art and technology, so graphic design felt like the perfect mix of both. I studied it in college, and now I work for a small agency.
That's awesome. What kind of projects do you work on?
Mostly designing websites, logos, and advertisements. It's fun, but it can be challenging sometimes.
I can imagine. Do you enjoy working at the agency?
Yes, it's a great team. But one day, I'd like to start my own design studio. That's my big dream.
That's an amazing goal. What kind of clients would you want to work with?
I'd love to work with small businesses or nonprofits. Helping them grow through design would be really rewarding. What about you? Do you enjoy teaching?
I do. Teaching math can be tricky, but it's so rewarding when my students finally understand a difficult concept.
That must feel great. What inspired you to become a teacher?
My high school math teacher was amazing. She made math fun and easy to understand, and I wanted to do the same for others.
That's wonderful. Do you have any long-term goals in your teaching career?
Yes, I'd love to create my own online math course someday. It could help students who struggle with the subject.
That's such a great idea. Online courses are so popular now. Have you started planning it yet?
Not yet, but I've been researching how to create one. I just need to find the time to get started.
Time can be tough to find, especially with a busy job. But I'm sure you'll make it happen.
Thanks, Jake. So, besides starting your own studio, do you have any other dreams?
I'd love to travel more. There are so many places I want to see.
Same here. Where would you go if you could travel anywhere?
Probably Japan. I'm fascinated by the culture, and I'd love to see the cherry blossoms. What about you?
I've always wanted to visit Italy. The food, the history, and the art. It all sounds amazing.
Italy would be incredible. Do you have a specific place in mind, like Rome or Venice?
Definitely Florence. It's famous for its art and architecture.
That's a great choice. So, do you think you'll travel there soon?
Maybe next year, if I can save enough money. What about you? Any travel plans in the near future?
Not yet, but I'm thinking about a road trip to explore some national parks.
That sounds fun. National parks have such beautiful landscapes.
They do. It would be great to take a break from work and reconnect with nature.
Absolutely. I think it's important to make time for the things we love.
You're right. Maybe one day, we'll both achieve our dreams, traveling and building our own projects.
I hope so. Well, Jake, it's been so nice talking to you today. I didn't expect to have such a fun conversation at the gym.
Same here, Lisa. I really enjoyed hearing about your teaching and your dream to create an online math course.
And I loved learning about your work as a graphic designer. Your goal of starting a design studio is so inspiring.
Thanks. By the way, would you like to join me for a hike sometime? I can show you some great trails near the city.
That sounds like a fantastic idea. I'd love to go hiking with you.
Great. How about this Saturday morning? There's a trail near Blue Lake that's perfect for beginners.
Saturday works for me. I'll bring some snacks and water.
Perfect. I'll bring my camera so we can take some photos along the way.
Sounds like a plan. I'm really looking forward to it.
Me too. Well, I should finish my workout now, but let's keep in touch.
Definitely. Have a great evening, Jake.
You too, Lisa. See you on Saturday.
See you then. Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.